Well, welcome back. Got a storm that's coming in. So, there's that. As long as people don't start fighting outside, I'll be fine. So, yeah. What percentage are we at? 90%, we're fine. So, yeah, it's gonna be a while before the storm shows up, but if you give a quick update before it gets closer. As it gets closer, definitely do more footage, but in the meantime, just, yeah. Then tonight into tomorrow morning will be the largest merch drops on the channel's history. So to date, strongest quick a day will be thrown in the mix there. So do keep that in mind. I mean, it's what time is it? 10:26. Yeah, strongest quick a day will likely be thrown in there. But anyways, I'm gonna hop off here. Gonna wait for the storm to get closer. See you then. Bye.